it's me again, and welcome to our second part of GETMR. GET1050 meme review. Yeah, how do you like your memes? Do you like your memes spicy? I show you my favorite spicy. Yeah. Oh, this one, Lao Gan Ma. I'm not getting any. I'm not getting any commission, but oh, don't you want to put this on your memes? Yeah, to spice up your life. This is good stuff, by the way. Oh my gosh, you can just like eat it with rice, or okay, please don't eat it with rice. That's not very healthy. But you can like just put it on anything. You can season chicken also. Yeah, it's quite nice. Give it a try. Yeah, so let's spice up our memes, shall we? Yeah, let's go. Let's go. When Big Boss Charlie asks if you know how to interpret Excel data and you have just finished Mr. Sim's GET1050 module. Wow, looking so smart, right? Yeah. Well, I really hope you feel that way too. I think some of you are starting to feel more confident. I know that as a typical student, you know, you're still in your early 20s, you haven't got your foot firmly in the ground. Actually, you can do, but you just don't feel so firm, so sound. So it's okay. Slowly take your time. In the days, weeks to come, you'll be better at it. Alright, come, next meme. What type of music do you listen to? Me, it's complicated. It's the GET1050 theme song, rock version. Yeah. I tell you, this meme cheat my feeling, okay? I see, wow, 7,740,000,000 views. Wow, I thought, wow, so popular. Chef, fake one, all the numbers. Oh man. Yeah, did I record all these songs all on my own? Yes. Just like the theme song. Hey, some of you say I play the violin fake one. Hey, my violin playing is real, okay? Just to prove to you it's real. There we go, we got the bow, okay? Let me tighten the bow. And there we go, we got a violin. Yeah, I got two violins. I got this recently. This is a 80-year-old violin, Japanese made. It survived World War II, by the way. Ooh, got fun story, right? Okay, come, what song you want to hear? Can play one lah, not fake lah. Even the Sesame Street I play, but just play very badly. Okay, anyway, more songs to come. Hopefully, I make enough silly songs I can make a new album on Spotify. Alright, come, let's go. Next meme. Mr. 4.99, after being told there's no clear discernible pattern showing a relationship between CAP and interns getting higher ratings from their teams. Yeah. so in Singlish is what I call the 显鸡巴 face. How to translate for all our international students, international viewers? Sian. Sian doesn't just mean bored. It's like, you know, like you're so defeated until it's just so meaningless, you know, that kind of thing, yeah? So learn this word, sian. It's such a versatile word, you know, like if you're bored, it's sian. Meaningless, sian. You don't feel like doing anything, sian. You feel defeated, sian. Okay, yeah. Or you can just use the Bernie Sanders meme. Okay, next meme. Me are excited for GET1050 and ready for Excel. Me after lectures 1 and 2 trying to understand VLOOKUP and getting rickrolled at the same time. Crying dog. Pivot charts, baby shark, do help. No, it's not baby shark. Remember quiz 2? It's not baby shark, it was loan shark, do, loan shark. Stupid song. Yeah. Okay lah, hope you have fun. All the silly questions. You know why I do it this way? Educationally, this is just a very powerful reason. Because the question is so absurd, so insane. Then what happened? You remember better. Then every time you come to me for consultation, they say, hey, how to do this? I say, you remember the loan shark question? Loan shark, do. Then you remember already, right? See? Effective. This, by the way, is how I remember a lot of things. I always have something absurdly silly, then it just burned into my memory forever. You can try, yeah? Okay, come, let's go on. Next meme! When you see someone use VLOOKUP in Excel. Sorry, I don't know how to read this written script. Yeah, so why? Yeah, it's a yeah. It's from a Bollywood movie, right? But the facial, it's the value is the facial expression. I tell you, once you know how to do VLOOKUP, oh, you will be the king and queen of the office, not just Microsoft Office, like literally the office, yeah. I know some of you, you're so advanced, you tell me, hey, actually, why you teach VLOOKUP? Why not we learn index match? Okay, good for you, yeah. No, index match is a bit more, is less easy to learn, but if you think you have mastered VLOOKUP, you want to up your game, go and Google Excel index match. INDEX lah, index match, MATCH lah. Oh, then you can up your game even more. Then instead of like this guy, people see them, so amazing, right? Let's go. Okay, next meme. Oh, what is this? Oh, we got baby SpongeBob in the womb. Sponge born from a womb or from eggs? I don't. You know sponge? I mean, we have synthetic sponge. That's the one you use to clean your kitchen sink, right? But you know sponge is a living organism. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, baby SpongeBob Excel sheets. Then Chow Bob SquarePants. Anyway, average range, and then teenager Bob. Yeah, conditional formatting. You notice as our friend SpongeBob is growing older, is getting less smiley. At first then pivot table. Oh, muscular. Oh, finally VLOOKUP. I hope you feel that way too. Yeah, slowly but steadily we will get there. Then you can flex your muscle. Okay, come, let's go. Next meme. What do we have? Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Billie Jean. Okay, then he says, I am the one. Can't remember the song. Okay, anyway. Then GET1050 theme song, rock version. Yeah, good stuff, right? Yeah. Oh, by the way, all this the theme song was the music video was planned by my TA Itzia. I was telling him, hey, we need an intro, a module intro video, and I want it to be like an open anime opening theme. Oh, then all you cultured people who like to watch anime, or then you all know what we're talking about, right? Okay, come. Yeah, let's move on. Next meme. Wow, what we have? Wow, it's not just Big Boss Charlie, it's 老板 Charlie. Wow, okay. And Mr. 4.99 insisting that high cap equals good performance. Yeah. I hope by now you realize high cap doesn't mean good performance. Okay, then me, my Excel sheet. Leaves on your Excel sheet. Yeah. You are the star of the show, the hero of the story, isn't it? Big Boss Charlie would be very, very proud of you, yeah? Okay, come, let's move on. Next meme. GET1050 students in the future, when they join the BBC, have a boss named Charlie and are asked to analyze spreadsheets about interns. Just like the simulations. Hey, just so you know, all your assignment questions in the quizzes, in the pre-tutorial, in the tutorial, and the group project, these are all modeled after real actual problems that people are doing. What I did is I got friends who are doing data analysis, and one of them in particular, he works in, I think because this is a public video, I better not say, he works in so-and-so company. So, arts degree also, philo major, so he's working as a data analyst. So one day I met up with him, I say, hey, you're doing data analysis, can you tell me what you do at work? So he says, blah, 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 I do this. Okay, study, okay, and then I was like, okay, good. I will go and model all my assignment questions. Okay, not all most of them based on this. Many of the other assignment questions are either your MCQ or whatever is actual real problems I have to do over the course of my work. You know, like last time when I was a research assistant, or last time I worked in an engineering company, have to do all these things. Yeah. Oh, even as a teacher, also have to do all this stuff. So you are actually getting real practice training. Just like the simulations. By the time you graduate and you go out for your internship, you'll find you've been solidly trained, man. Alright. Okay, 10 minutes is up already. I don't want to hold you up. I'll have a third video. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.